Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. The house looking beautiful, but we still need some steps out front. So I'm going to try to build some today using just materials that are on the property. You can see that over here we still have a lot of leftover deck wood from the decks we took apart. It looks pretty bad, but I think I can make use of that. I'm just going to try to get creative. I have a basic idea. I've been brainstorming today, and I have a good idea, I think. So I'm going to try it and see where it leads. All right. I like that. I like that. That's nice and rigid. But I think I need two more at the front just to be safe, right? We're gonna be safe? All right, I was making progress. It started raining, so I put the camera away. That's as far as I got. And I'm gonna continue on, but it's getting dark. So I'll finish off camera. I'll show you guys when it's light. What I did was I built two layers, built them the same, but just one layer shorter than the other. I'm going to do a third layer right now. Really simple deck. I'm going to put it together and you'll see it in the morning. So check it out, we got it together and it looks awesome. It functions awesome. It's perfect, I really love it. We got some nice solid steps and our landing to get in the front door. We just gotta slide it over there. Some of the things I did also was I cut a notch at the front and back underneath on those runners so that I could slide it around if I needed to without it digging into the ground as easy. I'm not sure if I like these sticking out, but I'm going to leave them for now. I could always cut them off later. I kind of like the stacked look, but I'm not sure if those look right. Overall though, I'm very happy with the style of this. Even though it's just some 2x6 lumber thrown together, it has some style to it. It looks modern, it looks clean, and it was a really simple way to make some sturdy steps. I like it so much I'm going to copy it for the back. So that's going to be easier because I know what I'm doing now. But let's get this one in place first and see how it does at the front door. Oh, that was some work, but we got it leveled in. I put some blocks in the ground underneath it. The blocks will just help distribute the weight, keep it solid, but also keep it a little bit off that damp dirt. This will last a long time though. We're going to finish putting some more of this mulch right around here. Make sure no weeds are going to grow up around it. This is going to look good. Look how cool this is. Unreal. So since I know what I'm doing, I'm going to get right into building this next one. It's going to be a little bit different because the back door is higher off the ground than the front door. So we're going to add an extra layer, but it'll be pretty quick and easy. I pulled out all the extra boards that I had left. These are the leftover used deck boards, but I also bought some new wood. So I'm going to mix them together, make the best use that I can of the materials. Let's get building. First thing I'm going to do is cut my deck boards to length. I'm going to do a 4-foot wide deck, so just a bunch of 4-foot pieces.
Yeah, they barrel down.
So basically I just cut enough pieces until I made the deck the size I wanted, and then I marked it. I did it this way because I didn't want to have to rip one of these, so I just wanted to make sure I knew how long to cut it. So now I'm going to cut this. This is going to be the top platform of the deck. There we go. I'm just making sure I square up this deck.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to be making a bunch of braces to keep this stable side to side. So there it is. This is the top of our deck platform done. Pretty simple. 2 legs and deck boards. I put these little braces down here just to give it some extra strength so that these boards can't ever wobble. In the front of it, I'm going to leave them off for now. This is how the front looks. Now this deck turned out to be 4 feet wide as I cut it and 40 inches long. And again, I just wanted to make the best use of the boards without cutting any, so 40 inches is what it turned out to be. So now I'm going to build the next layer down. It's going to be built exactly the same except for without a deck. We're going to put a board in the back and we're going to put steps in the front. And that next layer is going to be about 11.5 inches longer to accommodate the step. Alright, I got my 2 legs cut and my top boards for the second layer. Remember, we're building in reverse, so it'll make sense when it comes together, but this will be the second step down. So there's the second deck finished. 2 runners. We got a piece on the back, 3 on the front. These 2 make up the step. This will make up the support for the one under it, or above it. It's gonna make sense. So now we need to make the 3rd step down, and that's gonna be another 11.5 inches longer. Let me just get this out of the way altogether. I'm all done building my platforms. I got 4 pieces, and basically I built each platform 11.5 inches longer than the next one to create a stepping steps. So now I'm going to assemble them upside down. You'll see that's the top platform, so that's going to be the bottom. Watch me assemble these. The back entry landing is finished, and look at it. It looks really awesome. I love how it just looks stacked. It's got these kind of cool lines. I don't know. It just looks different because you're so used to seeing steps. Everybody does those same deck risers you buy at the store with the angle cut, you know, the angles. This just looks cool, and I love how it gives the illusion of really super deep steps. But the steps are actually pretty normal size. So that's pretty neat. I like this. But now we got to get it from the barn to the house, which is pretty far, and this is super heavy. So let's tow it over there and hope for the best. I think we're going to try the riding mower, see what we can do with it. It'll drag it.
You sure?
No.
I don't think it will. Yeah, that slide's easy on there. I guess I'll remove the hose. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Take it easy. Let's see how it goes. Okay. All right.
This is so cool. A new porch.
Yeah. Is that easier for you now?
Oh, it's amazing.
So for the longest time, I had no idea what I was going to be building here. But the other night, I just sat down and I started planning and getting some rough ideas. And then this is what came of it. I really like it. I've never seen a deck built like this. I'm not claiming it to be original or anything, but I'm happy with how it came out. And I like that it does look different. Super sturdy. I used all 2x6s, so it's not flexible at all. It's pretty solid. Now these are done except for this one needs a handrail. I know I'm going to be called out on that. This has 4 steps, and any stairway with 4 steps or more needs a handrail. The front is fine without one. This one needs one, so I will be trying to add one later. I just don't have the materials for that right now. I'm not exactly sure how I want to build that. I'll think about it next time I go to the store. I might do some pipe or something. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
So handrail will be coming, and also future video we're going to do something above here to keep water off it so that we can get in the house without a big mess and we won't have snow and water piling up right here. So that'll be coming also in another video. You'll see what we're going to do to cover our doors, and looking forward to that. I think that's all we have for now. I hope this video inspired you. This was a fun project for me. I'm happy to finally have steps at our front and back door and not have to jump out or climb up a slippery bathtub that we had out here for so long. A big progress, big step forward. And
I love it.
Yeah. So, thanks for watching. We'll be back with another video soon, hopefully getting these doors covered. So look forward to that. But until next time, take care.
Bye.
I had to watch my movie.